Welcome to this video on if and else statements, guys. In this video we will be learning the concept of if and else statement. We will also write the code and test the values for that as well. So let's begin. Basically, if and else statements checks a condition. If a condition can be true, or we can say yes, it is true, the code will do a specific task. Else it will be false, where we can say no, and it will do some other task. And now let me explain you this concept with a simple example. There is a student who needs 33 marks out of 100 in order to get pass in exam. And here the condition is if the student gets 33 or more than 33 marks in exam. If it is a yes, then he will get pass. If it is a no, then the student will get fail. And this is a simple example that explains the concept of if and else statement. If the student is pass, else the student is fail. And the condition is getting the marks greater than or equal to 33. And now let's learn how to write the code for this example in VS Code. So first I am importing standard input output library, and then I am writing here the main function int main, and this is the block of the main function. We used to write return 0 on the very last line of the code, and very first line of the code I'm defining the variables pass, fail and marks. And since these are the variables, so I'm writing here a comment. I'm defining the variables. After defining the variables, I'm going to take the user input. For that I am writing here a comment take input, and I'm writing printf function enter your marks. And we know that in order to take the user input, we use the scanf function. So I'm writing here scanf, and %d is the format specifier of the integer data type, and I'm writing here marks. So this is it for the user input. The user will be entering the marks and it will be stored in the variable marks. And now it is the time to define the condition. So I'm writing here if marks greater than equal 33. And this is the block of if statement. Within these curly brackets I am typing here printf, and I am congratulating the user. If the marks are greater than or equal to 33, he will get pass. And let's verify if it is working or not. I am running the code from here, and I am intentionally writing here the marks which are greater than or equal to 33, and as you can see it is working fine. But what if the marks are less than 33? There will be nothing displayed here, and for that we will be using the else statement in order to print something for that, like you are failed. So I am writing here the else, and this is the block for the else statement. In between these curly brackets I am writing here printf, and in between these inverted commas I am typing sorry, you are failed. And now let's run the code in order to test if it is working or not. So first I am typing marks greater than 33, and it is showing congratulations, you are passed. And for the marks less than 33, it is showing sorry, you are failed. So this is all about if and else statement, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.